Now what we are gonna do now is the drawing of a borderline. You have to know that every diagram that you make is supposed to be in a borderline. So if you don't know how to create it, kindly watch this video and become a pro. But before that, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So you first of all set everything to millimeters by typing units. So changing the first precision to 0.0 and then the inches to millimeters. And you select OK. So the first line, now the border line has a length of 594 and a weight of 420 millimeters. So you start with the length first. This will be easier for you. So you select it at the command place. You specify first point, which is here, and you enter 594. See, it's very long, so you need to reduce the size to make everybody see it clearly. Now you are done with the line, the length. You are moving to the weight. You select it again at the top here. The line is the weight of the border line is 420, and you enter again. This is what we are having, and then know that the shape we will have is a rectangle. With rectangle, all the two sides, the weights are the same, and then the lengths are also the same. So the same distance that you use for the length here is supposed to be at the same. It's supposed to be same at this side too. So here is 594, and you enter again, and then the same weight, which is the 420. So you all can see this is what we are having here. And then we are not done yet. This is what we are having. You need to highlight the whole thing first, and then you join. Select, you type join, and you enter. See, if I select it, it highlights everything. So highlight it, and then you type offset. You type offset. Now the offset distance is supposed to be 10, so you put in 10. So this is what we are having here. This is what we are having here, and then we highlight again and disassemble. The reason why we disassembled it is that we are gonna delete this line and then do a new thing on it. So when we are done with the borderline, what we are moving to is the title block. So you need to delete this down line first before you deal with the title block, and after that you join the lines together. So we continue with the title block by commanding it with line. So you select it at the top here, then you start from the bottom right corner to the left. Now the length of the title block is 150. You enter, and the weight too is 45. Know that they are all in millimeters, and you join it to this, the same length, so 150. This is what we are having. Okay, very nice. Like I said earlier, after creating your title block, you need to join the down line to back to where it was. You need to join it to the bottom left corner of the inner title block, of the inner border line. So by doing that, you type extend or EX, and you enter, and then you put it on the line to make it join the other one. After that, then you zoom into the title block. That's what we are gonna work more on. So you zoom into it. Now with the title block, you have to offset the vertical line to a distance of 50-50, and then the horizontal one, you have to offset it to a distance of 15 and 10-10-10. So we start with the horizontal line. So you select it, then you type offset, Now the distance, first distance is, because it's 45, you need to do it this way: 15, 10, 10, 10. So the first distance is 15. This is what you're having. Then you command it again with the same fillet. So you highlight the down line and you type fillet again. Then after selecting the down line and you type in fillet, sorry, you type in offset. The distance is supposed to be 10. You enter with the same distance again to the down, which is 10, and you end here. Okay, now we move to the vertical line. So the same command, you highlight it again, then you type offset. Now always remember that offset makes a line double. Offset makes a line double. So that's the reason why we are using offset. So with the offset distance, here will be 50-50 to the right. So you put in 50 and you enter to the right. And the same command again on this line to the right here. Okay. And we are not done yet. After creating the title block, you need to trim some parts. So you type trim, or you select it from the top here, trim. Now you clear all this and you drag it down to the lines that you want to clear. And you tap on it and then clear here, you clear here, you clear here, and leave this. You leave this because here will be date and here will be scale. Okay, so you clear this, clear this, clear this, and leave this one. You got it. Okay, we are not done yet. What we have to do into the title block is test. So we have to put in test. So you go to the top there, the command place, and then you select test. You tap on the drop down, then you select single line. With a single line, you have to zoom it inside, zoom it well. So it says that specify start point, so I will start mine from here. Now the height, I will not put any value in it. I will just drag it to the distance that I want it to be. I think here will be okay because what I'm about to write is very plenty, so I need to make the height very small. Here will be okay. Now the rotation angle is supposed to be 0. You see, we have 0, 90, 270, and then 360. When you set it to 0, the diagram, after writing everything, it won't move to any place again. But if you do not set it, it will go to any direction that it wants. Okay, so you put in 0 to be the rotation angle and you enter. So this is what we are having. As you can see, you put in the, with the test, it depends anything you want to write in it. I'm a student of University of Energy and Natural Resource, so I will put in the abbreviation, which is UNER, and then I'll continue. An electrical and electronic engineering student, and it's under School of Engineering, so with the same abbreviation S.O.E, which is School of Engineering. And then my course, electrical and electronic engineering, which is E. And then the last one, the assignment number. Okay, assignment, and you enter. You see, it didn't move because of the rotation angle that we changed. So I want to use the same procedure for this size, so I'll copy this and paste it here, and we use the same procedure to write all of them. So highlight it like how I've done here, then you command it with copy command, the copy, you enter, and then you drag it into it where you want to write it. So this is where I want to write it, and let me copy the same thing again to the down one. Now I'm doing this because I don't want to make it seem like there's a change in the writings, but rather I want it to be the same as the one on the left side. That's why I'm copying all of this. After that, then I edit it and put in what I want. So I want to change this one to name, so you double tap on it, and then you clear it, you delete it, then you type name, enter, then you come to the next one again, then you type checked by. It depends, you can put anything that you want in it. I like this one. And you come here and you type date. That will be the date that you submitted or you completed your work. And you come to this side, then scale. Now remember that the scale is 1:1, but with these sides you can fill them the way you like. Now assignment, this side your index number. Index number. So this is what we are having. So when you are able to do this one, you can fill all these: your name, checked by, the index number, the date, and then the scale. Now remember that you disassembled the lines, these border lines, so you need to join it together by highlighting it and then typing join. See, if I select it, it highlights everything together. That's what I want. So there is a border line and a title block. The border line is the big one, the big rectangle, and then the title block is this with the text in it. These are the tests. Okay, so just get time and then do it. If you don't understand anything, you can DM me personally, or you can write on my comment section for any question, and then I'll explain everything to you. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more infos on AutoCAD. May we all be great.